Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Give us a call or text our office if we can help you, 832-431-6331. Or you can click on the links that should be down below if you want to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost for getting started. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. Every week we come to you live to talk about what's going on with the real estate market, the economy, kind of give you updates. This week we're talking about our DSCR construction loans for our builders, our investors. We're one of the biggest lenders in America that focuses in on DSCR, non-QM, and private lending. So we wanted to focus in and discuss this tonight, how it works if you are a builder trying to get funding to build your project. We even do first-time builders. We just rolled that out last week. So if you're a first-time builder, you can actually get funding to be able to build your project. And a lot of lenders, they won't do it if you haven't done at least 3 construction projects in the past. We're very happy and pleased to be able to offer this program for you. We do, if you're just trying to do one single build, we can do that, or you can do a master plan community. You can do a mixed use project. There's so much that you can do with the ground up construction. So we're super excited to be able to offer all these different programs that we do. And then what a lot of people are doing right now in the space, instead of selling the properties like fix and flip or just their exit strategies to sell, they're refinancing to DSCR and getting a blanket portfolio loan and keeping the properties as a rental portfolio. And they're doing very, very well with that. So we're going to kind of walk through the math because we're big on science and math and understanding how these loan programs work and how you can actually make money with them. So the biggest thing that we're seeing right now is if you're a developer and you're a builder, let's just use simple numbers. You want to build 10 homes, okay? And those 10 homes are going to cost you $500,000 each, with the horizontal, the vertical, all the infrastructure. So your total build out's $5 million, and then you roll in the interest, the closing cost, and then any type of contingency. There's usually a 10% contingency. Let's say your loan's for $6 million, and these properties are probably going to be worth, the 10 homes are going to be worth probably at least, just say, $1 million each on average. So you have 10 million of value, and your loan to us is for 6 million. Okay, so you have 4 million of equity, and now you're not going to usually. I mean, if you sell them, you can make that 4 million minus commissions and stuff like that, or you can keep them, and you could lease these properties out for maybe 80 grand a month. And with that, you can make gross revenue of $1 million a year minus your debt service, and you're probably going to be netting about $300,000 to $400,000 a year net income off of this project. So, and remember that the tenants or whoever, whether it's corporate housing or whatever you're doing, short-term rentals, they're going to be paying down the debt while your asset, the equity, or your asset's going to be appreciating in value, right? So, in 10 years, if you kept it, your 10 million could be 18 to 22 million. So you have a lot of intrinsic value by keeping this property, and then your loan balance to the lender in 10 years is probably going to be cut in half. So now you've gone from 4 million of equity to effectively 16 million of equity. So that's the beauty of the build to rent DSCR program, or portfolio line of credit, what you can do and the power of it. So there's a lot of solutions. It's just really a matter of strategy and obviously putting it together. Now, of course, you don't have to turn these into rentals. You can sell the properties and cash out. The other thing that you could do is, if you do decide to keep them, you can refinance and cash out too. You have that 4 million of equity, you could refinance and pull out half of that money now, and you could still debt service. So it's a very powerful loan program. And we're talking about semi-large numbers. You could do this on a single home. You could do it on 100 homes, 1,000 homes, 10 homes. It's really based on how big your project is, what you're trying to accomplish, obviously how much money you're trying to make. I'm just putting ideas out there about what's possible with these programs and what we do. Now, these are private loans. They don't report to your personal credit. They close in your LLC. They do require that you have at least a 700 or higher credit score, ideally a robust track record. You've done at least 3 projects in the past, hopefully similar to this one. And then, at least, 6 months of reserves in the bank. That looks good. This is not going to be a good program. This is if you're trying to do a large project for your first time. We do have first time builder programs, and those work well too. We'll advance up to 80%. You would put 20% down. So that's another great program that we offer. Um, but yeah, if we can help you, we offer this nationwide for fix and flip, rehab, ground up construction, any of these type of programs. We're super excited to be able to offer these. And like I said, you don't have to have a job. We don't check your tax returns. We don't check your W-2s. We don't check your employment. We're looking for location, great location, urban metro area, great credit, great track record, and you have the potential to be in to get this done. So we'd love to hear from you. If you are looking to get funding for your project, the loans close a lot faster than dealing with a bank. They usually take a couple weeks to close. So please reach out to us if we can help you. Give us a call, text my office, 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian in the channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up, enable notifications, like that bell. Share this with anyone that you know that's going to get value from the channel. We work incredibly hard to educate you, empower you, to give you the knowledge and the information to be able to help you. And don't forget about our Amazon loyalty program. If you give us the 5-star review on Google, if you're a customer, a vendor, a partner, hook you up with that free Amazon gift card. That's a really cool way in our real estate university if you want to join our platform to become a top producer, a top closer. Hey, Charles, thank you so much for tuning in and watching the channel. We appreciate you. So we got that going on. And then we have our real estate university where you can become a top producer, a top closer. So we try to generate all these different things to add value and make a difference. So again, if we can do anything to help you guys with any of these things that we offer with our gifts, we're here for you. So appreciate you all for watching the channel. Hopefully you all are going to be tuning in and watching the Super Bowl this weekend. I know that's where I'm going to be. So I don't know who you're going for. I'm going for the Seahawks. You can leave comments down below if you're, a Pats fan or a Seahawks fan. That's where I got my money at. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. We'll see y'all again next week. Take care and peace out later. Bye-bye.